Minfos provides the functionality to set GP or markup percentage guidelines for each of your categories. This function allows you to easily review your pricing by category and identify product prices that may need attention. It is important to note that setting a performance guideline does not automatically change the prices of products in the category. The suggested new prices must first be reviewed, then applied in the Price Manager window. To set a performance guideline, from the Stock Manager module, select Category Maintenance. In the Category Maintenance window, select the relevant category type from the drop-down menu. In this demonstration, I will select Department. Use the Next and Previous buttons or click Find to search for the relevant category. In this demonstration, I will use the Sun Care department. Select the category and then click Change. In the Category Edit window, enter either the GP percentage or markup percentage you would like to set as a guideline, then click OK. In the Category Maintenance window, the GP or markup will be displayed. If you wish to review the new suggested pricing for the category, click Cancel to close the Category Maintenance window, and then select Price Manager. In the Price Manager Select Category and Subcategory window, select the category type in the Sort By menu. Then enter the name or code of the relevant category and click Tab. Check that you have selected the correct category and then click Review Pricing. The Price Manager Pricing Review screen will populate with the selected category. It is often helpful to filter the screen to only show products that are marked as stocked. The Set Guideline is displayed. The guideline value can also be set and saved in this window. By default, KVI lines are excluded from the suggested price changes. This gives you a better indication of the overall GP or markup in your pharmacy. Minfos will account for the likely lower KVI pricing and adjust the non-KVI products pricing to compensate. If you wish to include the KVI lines in the pricing review, check the Include KVI checkbox, and Minfos will suggest prices for all products in Price Manager. The new GP and suggested retail price are displayed. The arrow to the left shows the suggested new retail price is higher or lower than the current retail price. To set a different price from the suggested, double-click in the new RP column of the relevant products and enter the price. The other new columns will automatically update based on the new value. It is recommended that you review the prices line by line rather than in bulk. To apply a new price, select the relevant product or products and click Apply New Prices, selected only. The new RP field will update to show applied. Repeat this action until you have finished your pricing review. Don't forget to print or queue any labels required via the Labels button or later via the Product Price Changes report. Click Cancel to exit the Price Manager windows. For further information about Price Manager and printing labels in Minfos, please refer to the Minfos Help Centre.